Alright, how to recover from a Google algorithm update step by step. Now, if your WordPress has been hit by Google algorithm update and you have seen the drop in impressions and every single thing, so what you can do is simply follow these steps. So first thing first, update to fresh content. Okay, now in order to write fresh content, you need to update and also update the time zone. Once again, update the time zone. Now what I mean by update the time zone and every single thing is, so let's just say this one, right? So let me just open it. By the way, this whole article is written and automated by Arvo. The link will be in the description. So here, once you update this whole thing, click on save. I'm sorry, not the click on save. Here, the publish time, select the publish time and click on do it as a now, and then click on save. So it will be published to this particular time zone. So that's how what you want to do it. And here, backlinks. Okay, so get few backlinks, that's all, only few you need it, so that it can trigger the Google algorithm that you're getting backlinks from another domain which is a trustworthy and it's like authority. And also update your author information. Okay, so as on the way, like through the time period, like author has to be changed or his experience need to be updated, right? So we cannot have a single person writing all the articles, so it is better to have 2 or 3 authors and update every single time. So that's how we do it. Update your author information, which is also a good signal. So if there are 404 pages and someone visits your site, and since because it is a 404, he gonna retrieve back and goes to the next page, which will decrease the user engagement, right? So there is no user engagement, which is a bad signal to the domain authority itself. So we don't want any 404 pages, or if there is 404, redirect to home. Okay, so it's better to not have 404 pages itself. So go to the Google Search Console and remove if there is any 404 pages or any pages index which are 404. This is how to recover from Google algorithm update. Catch you on the next one.